Welcome! Before we begin, the whole challenge of chicken Parmesan is preserving contrast. The cutlet must stay crisp enough to matter even after it gets crowned with marinara and mozzarella. This dish wins when the sauce and cheese support the cutlet instead of burying it.
Step 1. Split and pound 2 large chicken breasts into 4 even cutlets, then season with salt and pepper. Set up dredging stations with 1/2 cup flour, 2 beaten eggs, and a breadcrumb mixture of 1½ cups Italian breadcrumbs plus 1/2 cup grated Parmesan.
Step 2. Bread each cutlet carefully. Flour, egg, then crumbs. Pressing the coating on so it grips. Good breading is not decoration, it is armor. If it separates in the pan, the whole structure starts losing respect.
Step 3. Shallow fry the cutlets in olive oil until deeply golden and cooked through. Then transfer them to a rack or tray. The crust should already look dinner-ready before any sauce touches it.
Step 4. Top each cutlet with a light layer of marinara, about 2 cups total for all 4 pieces, and add 8 ounces mozzarella. Use enough to flavor and melt, but not so much that the crust gets submerged.
Step 5. Finish the cutlets in a 425-degree oven or under the broiler just until the mozzarella melts and begins to bubble. This is a brief finish, not a second-long cook. You are melting the crown, not destroying the throne underneath it.
Step 6. Garnish with basil right before serving. The final cutlet should still show crisp edges and not look drowned under a blanket of sauce.
Step 7. Plate immediately while the cheese still stretches and the cutlet still holds. Chicken parm should feel generous, yes, but always with enough structure to keep the crispness alive under the sauce.
Step 8. Serve hot with extra basil if you like, and let the cutlets be the star. The ideal bite should give you crisp, sauce, cheese, and chicken in that order.
Final step. Cut in and listen for the crust underneath. That sound matters. The finest chicken parm is not soft from end to end. It keeps a little defiance under the red sauce and cheese.